Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Withings scale. First, carefully unbox your new scale and remove any protective packaging. Next, locate the battery compartment, usually on the underside, and insert the included batteries, making sure to pull out any plastic tabs. For the most accurate readings, place your scale on a hard, flat surface like tile or hardwood. If you must use it on carpet, remember to attach the provided carpet feet. Now, let's get the companion app. Search for and download the Withings Health Mate app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. You'll then be prompted to create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Be sure to accurately enter your personal details, such as your first name, last name, height, and birth date, to ensure precise health tracking. With your app ready, it's time to pair your scale. In the Health Mate app, tap the device's icon, then the plus symbol to add a new device. Select Scales and choose your specific Withings model from the list. Now, press and hold the pairing button on the bottom or side of your scale for about 3 seconds. The app will detect your scale. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Bluetooth pairing and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. You're all set to take your first measurement. Step onto the scale barefoot, standing still with your weight evenly distributed. The scale will display your weight, and depending on your model, other body composition data like fat mass. Your measurements will automatically sync to the HealthMate app for easy tracking. This smart scale can even recognize and track up to 8 different users, making it perfect for the whole family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.